Hey everyone, it's your tech buddy here. Today we're diving into something super exciting that all of us tech enthusiasts look forward to every year. Apple's at it again with a fresh batch of updates for our iPhones and iPads. These updates are like little gifts that keep on giving, packed with new features, improvements, and sometimes even surprises. We're talking about iOS 18.1 Beta 6 and iPadOS 18.1 Beta 6. You know what that means? Bug fixes, performance tweaks, and maybe even some cool new features that we didn't even know we needed. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another beta? Isn't the final version coming out soon? Well, that's a valid question and one that many of us have. And you're right, it usually does. But these beta versions are crucial for a smooth final release. These beta releases are like sneak peeks behind the curtain. They give us a glimpse into what Apple's cooking up and a chance to try out new features before everyone else. It's like being part of an exclusive club. They give us a glimpse into what Apple's cooking up and a chance to try out new features before everyone else. Imagine being the first to use a new app feature that could change the way you use your device. Plus, they help Apple iron out any last-minute kinks before the big release. This means that by the time the final version rolls out, it's as polished as it can be thanks to the feedback from beta testers like us. So, the next time you see a beta update available, don't hesitate to give it a try. Not only will you get to experience the latest features first, but you'll also be helping to make the final release better for everyone. And that's why we love new iOS updates. They keep our devices fresh, exciting, and running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy updating. So, what's new in this latest beta? Well, don't expect any major overhauls. This update is all about refinement. It's like Apple's taken iOS 18.1 for a test drive, listened to our feedback, and made some adjustments under the hood. We've got some bug fixes, which is always a good thing. Remember that annoying issue where your phone would randomly restart? Yeah, hopefully that's gone for good. There are also some performance improvements, so your phone should feel a bit snappier, especially if you're using an older model. One of the primary focuses of iOS 18.1 Beta 6 is enhancing the overall stability and performance of your iPhone or iPad. This means a smoother, more responsive user experience, even when running demanding apps or multitasking. Apple has addressed several bugs and issues reported by developers and beta testers in this release. These fixes target various aspects of the operating system, including app compatibility, network connectivity, and battery life. The result is a more polished and reliable software experience. Now, before you rush to download the beta, there are a few known issues to be aware of. Some users have reported problems with AirDrop, while others are experiencing battery drain. This is pretty common with beta software, so don't be surprised if you encounter a bug or two. The good news is that Apple is usually pretty quick to address these problems. They have a dedicated feedback app where you can report any issues you encounter. This helps them identify and fix bugs more efficiently. Xcode 16.1 and iOS 18.1 Beta 6, a developer's perspective. As developers, we are always on the lookout for the latest tools and updates that can help us create better, more efficient, and more engaging applications. The release of Xcode 16.1 and iOS 18.1 Beta 6 is a significant milestone in this journey. For all the developers out there, iOS 18.1 Beta 6 brings some exciting changes. This new beta version is packed with features that promise to enhance the development experience and provide new opportunities for innovation. Whether you're working on a new app or updating an existing one, these updates are designed to make your job easier and more enjoyable. Xcode 16.1, the latest version of Apple's integrated development environment, is optimized for this new beta. This means that you can take full advantage of the new features and improvements in iOS 18.1 Beta 6. The integration between Xcode and iOS has never been smoother, allowing for a more seamless development process. This means you'll have access to all the latest tools and APIs to build even more powerful and immersive apps. The new tools in Xcode 16.1 are designed to help you create apps that are not only functional but also visually stunning and highly responsive. With these tools, you can push the boundaries of what's possible and deliver an exceptional user experience. One of the key improvements in Xcode 16.1 is the enhanced Swift UI support. Swift UI, Apple's declarative UI framework, has been a game changer for developers since its introduction. The latest version of Xcode takes this a step further by providing even more robust support for Swift UI, making it easier than ever to build beautiful and responsive user interfaces. Swift UI is Apple's declarative UI framework, and it's becoming increasingly popular among developers for its ease of use and flexibility. With Swift UI, you can create complex user interfaces with just a few lines of code. The framework's declarative syntax allows you to describe what your UI should look like and how it should behave, and Swift UI takes care of the rest. Xcode 16.1 makes it even easier to build beautiful and responsive user interfaces with Swift UI. The new features and improvements in this version of Xcode are designed to help you get the most out of Swift UI, allowing you to create stunning UIs with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, Xcode 16.1 and iOS 18.1 Beta 6 offer the tools and features you need to succeed. UI tweaks and refinements. Small changes, big impact. While not as flashy as new features, UI tweaks and refinements play a crucial role in enhancing the user experience. iOS 18.1 Beta 6 introduces subtle yet noticeable improvements to the visual presentation and responsiveness of the interface. These refinements might include smoother animations, more consistent iconography, and optimized layouts for various screen sizes. The goal is to create a more visually pleasing and intuitive experience for users, making interactions with their devices feel natural and effortless. Under-the-hood performance enhancements and optimizations. Beyond the visible changes, iOS 18.1 Beta 6 includes significant under-the-hood optimizations to improve performance and efficiency. These enhancements target various aspects of the operating system, from memory management to power consumption. For end users, these optimizations translate into faster app launch times, smoother scrolling, and improved battery life. Developers can also benefit from these enhancements as their apps can run more efficiently, consuming fewer resources and providing a better user experience. Battery life is a constant concern for smartphone users, and Apple pays close attention to it with each iOS update. iOS 18.1 Beta 6 incorporates optimizations and bug fixes specifically aimed at improving battery performance. These improvements might include addressing background processes that consume excessive power, optimizing network connectivity to reduce battery drain, and fine-tuning system processes to operate more efficiently. App compatibility becomes paramount with each new iOS update. Apple understands the importance of ensuring a smooth transition for both users and developers. iOS 18.1 Beta 6 focuses on maintaining backward compatibility with existing apps while providing developers with the tools to update their apps for the latest OS. Apple encourages developers to test their apps thoroughly on the latest beta releases and utilize the updated APIs and frameworks available in Xcode 16.1. This proactive approach helps minimize potential compatibility issues and ensures that users can continue enjoying their favorite apps without any hiccups. Security and privacy remain top priorities for Apple, and iOS 18.1 Beta 6 reinforces this commitment with several enhancements. These updates might include patches for newly discovered vulnerabilities, improvements to existing security features, and refinements to privacy controls. Apple continuously works to stay ahead of potential threats and safeguard user data. These ongoing security and privacy enhancements provide users with peace of mind, knowing that their information is protected by the latest security measures. So there you have it, a quick look at iOS 18.1 Beta 6. This latest beta version brings a host of new features and improvements that are sure to enhance your user experience. From refined user interfaces to improved performance, there's a lot to explore. Remember, this is still a beta, so expect a few bumps along the way. Bugs and glitches are part of the process, and your feedback is crucial in helping developers iron out these issues. If you encounter any problems, make sure to report them so they can be addressed in future updates. But if you're the adventurous type who likes to live on the cutting edge, go ahead and give it a try. Testing out beta versions can be an exciting way to get a sneak peek at what's coming next and to be part of the development process. Plus, you get to enjoy new features before anyone else. Just make sure to back up your device first. This is a crucial step to ensure that your data is safe in case anything goes wrong. You can use iCloud or connect your device to a computer for a local backup. It's always better to be safe than sorry. For everyone else, the final version of iOS 18.1 should be out soon, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy all the new goodies. The official release will be more stable and polished, offering a seamless experience for all users. Mark your calendars and get ready for the update. In the meantime, let me know in the comments what you're most excited about in this update. Are you looking forward to the new features, performance improvements, or something else? Your feedback is always appreciated. Peace out.